Hi, this is Frida Pinto, and I am in Tacloban City in the Philippines on one of my field visits with Plan International. I have been working with Plan International since 2012, and I think one of the main reasons why I came on board was when I saw their commitment towards making this world a better place for children to live in. My first impression when I landed in Tacloban City was that of absolute shock in a way, because there's still signs, after a year, there's still signs of destruction everywhere. Plan works very hard in these communities to keep reinstilling hope that we will have a brighter future. I visited the Sakahan community, and as part of the field visit, I went to the school where third graders were learning about child rights. And their teacher, their principal, and various Plan workers were also there. We went to the Magna Carta awareness sessions. They were being educated on marital rape and also about how men and women can thrive together in society and how men have to be equally supportive of what women want to do.
Most of the houses here are done by Plan, are repaired by Plan. So the community contractors like Jonah were the ones who fixed the houses, but the materials came from Plan.
Okay, so we're in one of the Bislig Elementary School is one of the schools that Plan helped rebuild after Typhoon Haiyan, and clearly it's very noisy right now because we are in the school on a school day. But what has really been positive about how the teachers and the community and Plan has helped rebuild the school is that they've made these makeshift schools. Like the third grade is literally having their classroom out in a courtyard. A youth program like they just had in here, which is awareness of gender-based violence and teenage pregnancies. And I also visited a healthcare center, which is for mothers and children.
Well, one of the things I always want to say is please don't lose hope. I meet so many various inspiring people, from the youth to little kids to Plan workers. These people inspire me to go out there and continue doing the good work, or continue doing work that will affect lives positively.